Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we got a little update on the Trans Am. We're over here at Debary Paint and Body here over here in Debary. The guys are taking good care of the car. Right now it's in partly pieces. It's all getting done. We got the sail panel got done already. So it's almost ready to go into the paint booth. They're just taking some other parts off of it. But yeah, this is progress. It's getting done. It should be done, he's saying, maybe next week. We had to have the hood all redone. You had to do all the body work and prep it right, because the person who did this one before didn't do a very good job. So it's actually going to be done right. These guys over here at Debary Paint and Body are fantastic, man. These guys are going to get it done, and it's going to look beautiful. So stay tuned. Next week we're going to be probably picking her up, and we're going to film when it's all done, and you guys are going to get a good look at it. The guys over here are do fantastic work, man. So stay tuned. This is just a little short video showing some progress that's getting done, and Project Trans Am will be finished shortly. Stay tuned, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.